These AI nostalgia videos are going absolutely viral right now, and this Instagram page has hit 1.5 million, 3.3 million, and 3.7 million views on recent videos, exactly like the one I just showed you. Every single one takes you back to a moment you forgot you remembered. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make them yourself with AI. Let's get into it. First, head over to ChatGPT and click Explore GPTs. Search for AI Nostalgia Video Generator and choose mine. Hit Start Chat, then click to start the generator. It's going to ask what decade you'd like your video to be set in. You can choose any. I'm going with the 2000s. Now it'll generate 10 image prompts and 10 video prompts, each one a different scene from that era. Just look through them and pick the ones you like the sound of. And once you've chosen, just copy your first image prompt and head to OpenArt. Link is in the description. In OpenArt, go to Image then Create Image. Select Nano Banana 2 as your model, paste your prompt in, set your aspect ratio to 9:16 and resolution to 2K. Choose how many images you want and just hit Generate. Now do the same for the rest of your chosen scenes. I'll go ahead and do mine now. And your images should look something like these. You can really see the 2000s aesthetic coming through in every single one. And I'll show you what the finished video looks like in a second. Trust me, it's worth waiting for. So once you're happy with your images, just go to your first one and click on Image to Video. Then select Kling 3.0 as your model. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the video prompt for that scene, paste it in, make sure the audio toggle is on, set it to 5 seconds in 1080p, then hit Generate. Do the same for every remaining image and wait for them all to finish. If you're finding this useful, by the way, don't forget to like and subscribe so I can bring you more of these. Once they're all ready, simply download every clip and head over to your editing software. I'm using CapCut, but any editor works. Now all you need to do is add your clips to the timeline, then add a text layer across the whole video. Something like Life in the 2000s, or whatever decade you've done. Move it up so it's not covering the footage. And your AI nostalgia video is ready. Here's what mine looks like. So there you have it. That's the full workflow to make viral AI nostalgia videos. All the links you need are in the description. If you want to see what other viral AI niches I've found, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss them. See you in the next one.